Like, hawakan mo kamay ko pa frosty kasi ako marunong tumawid eh. You know how to cross the street, bro? Ay, di ka rin marunong. Kailangan mo rin ng kuya guard, no?
Oo.
Pwede mo kaya ako samahan.
Ako nagpapakbay ako.
Ay, nagpapakbay ka ba, boss? You know how to cross the street, ma'am? Ma'am, you know how to cross the street? Okay. You know how to cross the street? No? You know how to cross the street?
Yes.
Where'd you learn?
In the street?
Yeah, from the street. How many streets have you crossed?
A lot.
How many streets have you crossed?
Probably 2 or 3.
How many streets have you crossed?
A lot.
So you're from the street. How many streets have you crossed?
10.
How many streets have you crossed?
I don't know.
Can't count.
I can.
When did you learn?
Sa province namin.
How many streets have you crossed?
14.
How many streets have you crossed?
A lot?
Too much to count. Oh, too much to count.
How many streets have you crossed?
Lahat sa tough.
How many streets have you crossed? Bilang mo ba?
Hindi.
Lakwachero eh. Taong gala. Papagod na ako.
Can you cross the street without Kuya Manong guard?
I can.
That's impressive.
Do you know how to cross the street?
No.
Where are you going?
I'm going home.
You're going home.
Yeah.
He knows how to cross. People are lying these days, bro. Safe space ba to ng mga elitista?